Welcome to Executor. You can now browse official imports by typing imports. From here, you can install any imports you like. Let's add a couple of popular web applications. Because the feature is using the internal browser, there's a security check asking for permission to run the import command. Let's pick Reddit and Spotify. Quickly testing these. Seems to work. Don't have the imports keyword? You can import it by typing the following. Can't find what you're looking for? It's quite easy to add these by yourself. Check the basics video. Or ask in the community discussions. That's it. Check out the website and community for more info. Goodbye from the land of Huga. Have a nice day.